So the first thing you're going to need to do to sign up for Bluehost's affiliate program is you just want to go onto Google and type in Bluehost affiliate program sign up. When you type this in, you can click on enter, scroll down past the sponsored ads, and actually click on their website like so. And you can actually see we have this option to become an affiliate. They have a really good affiliate program and offer a lot of cash when it comes to signing people up that you've referred. And basically you click on the Noyan option and then click on confirm that you've read all of this information. It basically describes their agreements and what they pay out, etc. And you can sign up with a Google account, Apple, email, Gmail, whatever you want to. Or you can sign up with Impact, which is what I'm going to do since I already have an impact.com account. Impact.com is what a lot of these affiliate programs actually run on. It just makes it really easy to view all of your data on your dashboard and just copy and referral links and to view them impressions and etc. that you've done. But basically just sign up to impact.com, and once here you can basically see that we have officially applied to bluehost.com. You can actually search for this application within impact.com. You can go down into this top section and actually view all of the affiliates that you've registered with. Now they do have a small acceptance rate of about 20%, so your odds of getting in are obviously not extremely high, but basically once you do get accepted into the program, and if you do want to copy any of your links once you've been accepted into the program or signed up, not all of them have to accept you into the program, like Shopify for example, but you just go on to the impact.com website and you can go down to assets under content up here, where you can basically see on this left hand side of the screen, you can choose your category, which one you actually want to get the affiliate for, but you basically select that one and then you can click on the link. You can see there's over 70 affiliate links. These are all different discount codes. Some of them expire, some of them don't. I personally would go for the evergreen discount, one right here. And you basically just click on it and you go to the tracking link and you can copy the link right here, and anyone who signs up with this link just on helium.com or whatever website you're trying to use, you can basically just get your money and you can actually view that earning just on this application like so. And yeah, it makes it really easy on impact.com. Found this helpful. Consider liking and subscribing down below.